Hello and welcome to this Keepnet knowledge video. Today I'm going to show you how you can start to import existing emails. Instead of recreating from scratch an existing email, you can just simply import that email into Keepnet and save you a huge amount of time. To do this, we're going to start on the left-hand banner, going down into phishing scenarios and then into our email templates. From here, we're going to click into the New Plus button. You can fill out this page with categorization, naming your template, choosing a method of either click only, data submission, MFA, or attachment. And then, of course, you can also add the difficulty level in here as well. Once you're ready, you can click on the next button. And on this page, we're going to scroll up and we're going to click into the import email. The example I'm going to use for this video is a HubSpot reset your password email that I was sent and I downloaded from my inbox. This will auto-populate your subject line, from name and from email address with all of the information from that email. It's really important to change the from email. If you're using the whitelisting method, you need to change this to one of our Keepnet domains. So for example, securemygateway.com. If you're using the direct email creation method, then you can change this to whichever domain you would like. You can use one of our Keepnet domains or you can make one up if you wanted to. The key thing here is to give your employees a chance of identifying this as a phishing email and do not retain the same from email address. The next thing is editing the email. So we can go into the blue edit button here. And this is going to bring up the page where we can see the full email that I was sent. So reset your HubSpot password. Any edits that you make will retain all of the branding, fonts, styles of the original email. We can also add in some merge tags here. So if I remove that there. On the right-hand side, you have the 4 quadrants. You can add different sections in here, but what I want to show you is scrolling right down, you have some merge tags. So I can add the first name of the employee that is receiving this message. So you can either keep it in there or you can add it in here. So in this text box, I can add in first name. And it's important to use those squiggly brackets and not just the normal brackets in there as well. Perfect. You can also add in any other text that you want in here. The final thing I'm going to mention on this is the links. So initially it retains the original links from the email that you've imported. We've got 2 main ones here, the request another password hyperlink. When you click on this link or any link on the email template, on the right-hand side, you'll see a pop-out. In here, it's really important to make sure that all of your merge tags are set to the phishing URL. So anyone that clicks on that link will be taken through to the landing page that you partner or pair with this email. It also means we can track when users are clicking on the phishing URL. Again, to the reset password, we're going to click on that button there or that link. On the right-hand side, you can see that we've still got the pop-out and we're going to change it from no merge text to the phishing URL. This is really, really important, especially if you are ever importing a real phishing email. Do not ever retain the same links. You absolutely need to change this to a phishing URL, which is why I would normally advise against adding one in unless you're really comfortable using the platform. Once you've made all of your edits that you want to make, you can click into the Save button here. And then by clicking on Save again, that will save this email template that you've imported into Keepnet and save it as part of your phishing scenario email templates. The second step from this, once you have imported an email, is just to make this into a scenario. So you go into your scenarios here, and your scenario is just a pair of an email template and a landing page. So if we want to create a brand new one, we're going to have our HubSpot example. We've got a category of, I'm going to do corporate communications, method, click only, and clicking into next. We've got our test one here that I've just created, so we're going to use that one for the example today. and we want to pair it with a landing page. So I'm going to choose a warning page. You can see this one has the QR code phishing. I'm going to choose, if I type in warning page, I'll choose on with the normal phishing in. So you've got this one with the phishing. So oops, the email you just reacted to was a fake phishing email. Of course, you can go ahead and edit these landing pages as well, but we'll do another video on that. So clicking into next, you've got a summary, and then you click on save. So now we have imported an existing email, saving us a huge amount of time without having to recreate it. Edited it to match the language and the context that we need it to be in, and then we've made it into a scenario so we can send that out as a campaign to our target users. If you have any questions, please let us know.